Hi guys, Alex Peak Performance Reviews. Welcome to another vlog. We are here again, yes, on the KA. I know you're probably getting sick and tired of content on the KA, but we've got so much to do before race time starts. So yeah, basically we are doing more on the car, and today we are finally, hopefully, going to get the seat in. It's been obviously a long time coming, so yeah, just gonna adapt the seat runner, and I'll show you how and what we're doing. So keep watching on, and I'll let you know how it's. So we're going to give this a little clean in a minute. Yeah, we had an old KA. I do like the old sign being in there, but obviously it didn't have a rev counter, and when you've got your helmet on, that could be a problem, because these are going to be dead silent because they're not modified, you know, apart from the control mods. Power adder wise, they're not got any mods on them, so they're going to be really quiet, standard exhaust. So we really could do with having a rev counter on there. Bought one of these from eBay. It's only about 25 quid, 28, something like that. But yeah, that's the differences. They are, just so you know as well, if anyone else is wanting to fit one, retrofit, plug and play, straight in. So we say, we've been told anyway, so we'll fit it in, it should work. But we'll let you know. I'm pretty sure it's plug and play. So yeah, dash is kind of half out, or should we say the Speedo cluster is out, and we're putting that in. So we've got the rev counter just mock fitted, but we're going to put the other stuff in, probably give it a little clean before we fire up. Well, after we've fired up. We're going to just check to show you it's plug and play. Going to start it up, see if we get a rev feedback to the actual rev counter. And yep, sure enough, we have. Beautiful, all sorted.
And we now have 97,000 miles in the car.
We're good. Oh. So we've just put the new rev count. The only thing is that now says 67,000 miles, and my car's only done 51,000. So oh well.
97.
Correction, 97. So yeah, the mileage of this car has gone up without us even driving it. How do you manage that? Obviously, it's just a cluster, but so I'm not sure if we can do anything. There's things you can do with it, but I think we probably won't bother because it's going to be just a race car. The only problem is, well, we will need to kind of think about that for MOT, but all together, and yeah, it looks lovely. Rev counter in there, so yeah, LKA is getting upgrades. Woo! Now time for the seat, which is a bit of bugger. So yeah, we've got to finally get this in rather than mock fitted. Going to properly get this in. Going to weld some special plate in there, nice thick bit of aluminium, so we can move everything over to that side. But I'll show you what we're going to do, so you can have a look. So I've got more drama to the seat saga. Well, basically the welder wouldn't take to a 16 amp breaker, or fused. So yeah, we're having to get that welded elsewhere, but we're getting on removing the rear axle, and also one thing I didn't realise is this got a spare wheel as well. We can take that off, but yeah, we're getting on. Speedo's fixed in there as well, which is I'm really pleased about. So yeah, no, work in progress is still good. And my garden's looking a bit like a scrap heap at the moment, but you'd never believe that all of this has come off and out of that KA. Crazy. Yeah, rear subframe off, and opening up the brake drums just to see what the shoes are like, and actually they're brand new, so that's all good. So we're going to test on them certainly. We'll need to start thinking about getting spare sets and whatnot. Obviously we've taken the there's a nut here which you take off to get the spare wheel. That's off as well. So yeah, again, more progress is being made. Ignore the little bits of rust. Rust is lighter than carbon fibre, as you all know. So the rear axle is all kind of stripped and ready nearly to pull off. So yeah, we're going to move on. So we've got 3 people working on the car, well 2 should I say, and then me just kind of observing quite a bit, but Francois still attacking the rear subframe, nearly off. Trevor over there is doing a lot of fab work and everything like that, doing welding and fettling to get and to do whatever we need to do to get the runners in. This is the new plate that we're going to be using. We've got to kind of drill and do a few things with that. Nice real thick bit of aluminium. Yeah, right, so the axle is off. I was just getting the last bit of suspension off the car, so it's a little bit rusty. Mate, you know what I'm thinking, isn't it, Francois?
No.
A little bit of a spray up.
I'll leave it with you, you can sand it.
Cheers, mate. I had a spray over it, but little video of the what we've done. and from time to time I get enlisted with or on coffee duty because there's too many cooks in the kitchen. There's actually 4 of us working on the car now, so yeah, I'm excuse bedhead, but yeah, a lot of helmet hair. But yeah, no, so I'm enlisted into making the coffees. 4 guys now working on the car, which is fine. It makes it easier for me. Sometimes I like to just sit back and watch them anyway. And obviously I don't want to get anything wrong. So yeah, progress is really, really good. We almost got the seat in. It's starting to run out of time. It's coming up to 3 o'clock, and British kind of winter time sucks because yeah, we don't have much time to play with in terms of light. And yeah, it gets a bit of a problem otherwise. But yeah, running out of light, but we should hopefully get that done. Watch on. There we go. So as you can see, they're just doing a bit of angle grinding of the aluminium plate. We've had to cut, drill, weld some special spacers and weld in different parts to this kind of seat runner. It's been quite a bugger, to be honest with you. We then modified the seats. We're going to go lower with that when we actually mount that then onto the plate. And that's allowing us to move it this way because we've been having a problem. Yes, I'm eating a peanut cookie. Because we couldn't get the centre line of the steering wheel matched to the centre line of the seat. So we've had to make a bracket. And to be fair, we really needed to make a plate and a bracket anyway because there's too much flex and movement on that seat runner anyway. So that's going to allow us to move this across. We're going to also need to cut part of this out or like kind of adapt a little bit of that without getting rid of any or reducing structural integrity of anything, which is all good. So we're thinking about that. We're making sure it's all done correctly. But yeah, we're getting on really, really well. We're getting close, to be honest with you. Yeah. Some precision work being done by Francois here, cutting, fabricating the intricate design and work. Beautiful.
Still up the top there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
you still got to cut that bit out.
Cut that bit out.
Other than that, that's it.
More angle grinding being done. Just to get, basically what we're having to do is we're having to get a little bit of clearance. So we're just making a little rectangular cut through that plate that was on here a moment ago. We've also done slots for these little sections just so they get a bit more, or a better route of travel. And yeah, no, we're nearly there. Just used a little bit of card and a bit of masking, a bit of spray just to mark up a little template as to where we're going to put that cut that I was talking about across. So we're just doing that, cutting that over there.
Maybe, maybe not. It's not.
Secrets again.
I know, close to the finish article. But I won't release this till it's too late for everyone.
The night before launch.
Yes, it.
All right.
Oh, Christ, sorry.
It's all right.
Yeah.
Okay. Where's that Allen key we have?
Well, that's another end of a vlog, and another vlog where you've seen me say that the seat's going in, and it didn't. So yeah, one day we'll get that seat in. To be honest with you, we pretty much got it in, done all the runners and the plate exactly how we want, but it's still not in. We're going to finish it hopefully during the week or next Saturday. So we've got the bulk of a lot of things done today anyway. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Stay with me. I know there's lots and lots of KA videos at the moment, and yeah, winter time is very low on videos for me, like, because car reviews, I've got lots coming, modified car reviews and new car reviews coming up in the not too distant future. I'm going to get lots more ST videos as well with the Stage 4 Revo, and loads of other things as well, and obviously KA updates, and we're going to be testing very, very soon. The cage is coming, I think, in 2 weeks time, so that'll be installed in about 2 weeks time. So yeah, we're getting there with it, guys. Yeah, thanks for watching as always, guys. Like, share, comment and subscribe. We'll see you again in the next one. Bye for now.